Get ready to be swept off your feet by this extraordinary student home in Richardson, Texas. Welcome to the Homes of Prairie Springs, where luxury meets student living. Discover their lavish townhomes and apartments designed to cater to your every need. Each apartment offers spacious layouts with exceptional finishes, boasting ample storage, open-concept kitchens, private entrances, and even your very own attached garage. All within the highly sought-after Richardson Independent School District. The community amenities here are seriously awesome too. Kickstart your mornings with a complimentary cup of coffee and delicious cookies from the coffee bar, or take a peaceful stroll along the beautifully landscaped grounds. Fitness enthusiasts won't miss a beat with the indoor 1,250 square foot fitness center. And when it's time to unwind, lounge by the pool or gather with friends at the picnic area, complete with barbecue facilities for unforgettable weekend grilling sessions. When it's time for lectures, you're just a short 10 minutes drive from the University of Texas. And when you're in the mood for a tasty treat, head over to Doghouse or Pappadeaux Seafood Kitchen and indulge in their mouth-watering menus. Don't waste another minute. Book your room today with amberstudent.com.